Clearing up confusion, bad versus badly. Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting episode in our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're going to address a common source of confusion in English language usage: the difference between bad and badly. Let's demystify these terms and improve your English language skills. To start with, let's focus on the term badly. Badly is an adverb, and like all adverbs, it modifies verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. The basic role of badly is to describe how an action is performed. For example, in the sentence, "He plays piano badly," badly describes the manner in which the piano is played. In this case, it indicates that the performance is not up to par. Now that we've defined badly, let's talk about where people often misuse it. A common mistake is to use badly in place of the adjective bad after linking verbs like feel, smell, look, and taste. This is because these verbs describe a state of being rather than an action. For instance, if you're not feeling well, you'd say, "I feel bad," and not, "I feel badly." Saying, "I feel badly," implies that you are bad at feeling things, which is likely not what you intend to say. Understanding the definition and common misuses of badly is just the first step. Practice is key. Try constructing your own sentences using badly, paying careful attention to whether you're describing an action or a state of being. Remember, if you're describing how an action is performed, badly is your go-to. And that wraps up our discussion on the correct usage of badly. We hope this has clarified any confusion between bad and badly, and will help you express yourself more accurately in English. Remember, English is a tricky language, but with consistent practice and attention to detail, you can become more proficient. Stay tuned for more lessons to boost your English language skills. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!